This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com.
Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay, now let's shift to the gold market. On the gold market, the situation is a bit confusing. Well, and on the daily time frame, although there were no much action, no much changes, but still on the intraday charts the situation looks a bit doubtful. That's why here I decide to draw the opposite scenario for the daily time frame. Precisely speaking, not quite opposite, but alternative scenario. So one of the scenarios, as we said, could be the ABCD pattern, but if market failed there to continue move up, that could lead to the appearing of the butterfly buy, and I drawn it by this right wing of the butterfly that could appear. You can see nice pattern could be formed, very harmonic, very nice looking. If market will fail there and continue move to the downside. In this case, market could retest the 1535 lows on the monthly time frame. That is also yearly pivot support 1, stands in this area. Appearing of the butterfly absolutely will not exclude the possibility of the further retracement and stronger retracement on the daily time frame. That will be just another pattern that could trigger a retracement. Not just ABCD retracement, but that will be the reversal pattern on the daily time frame. In general, as we said and discussed previously, that is normal when the retracement that appear due some higher time frame setups. As we have discussed, the monthly time frame market is oversold. On the weekly time frame market is 1618 extension target of the ABCD pattern. Since this is really big charts, really big time patterns as monthly and weekly, that's why on the lower time frame the retracement could start not just by some development, but market could form some reversal pattern, because retracement on the higher time frame could looks like the reversal on the lower time frames on the medium term perspective. That's why appearing of the butterfly is absolutely normal in current environment. I have shown this butterfly pattern because if you will take a look at the action that appearing right now and within current week, I am not sure that market will continue move right to the 1630 area right from current moment. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we see that trend has turned bearish. Market has formed this small stop grabber pattern, but that price action is not very logical and not very welcome from the perspective of the normal development to the upside. What we see here, market has touched 1618 target of that ABCD pattern on the hourly time frame and has shown the wash and rinse and failure breakout of this consolidation. It was logical to expect the move at minimum to the opposite direction. That has happened. Now market has shown the further breakout to the upside with a strong candle. The logical expectation is probably market could retest this border and continue move to the upside. That could be treated and as the logical price action and the price action that is normal for the current development. But what we see here, deep retracement to the downside, right to the middle of the range. That is, here is weekly pivot point, by the way. Retesting it, returning right back, and some tight action. So maybe this means that market has lack of power to continue move higher. But in general, this price action is not very typical for further development, and it doesn't give me sufficient confidence to think that market is really continue move to the upside. Currently, I think that the better solution will be to wait a bit to understand what really will happen here. Because if market will returns right back still returns right back to the downside, and this stop grabber will work. Precisely speaking, this pattern suggests the taking out of these lows, and this will tell us that if this pattern will work, market will return right back inside of this range, and that will be the half step to the forming of the butterfly. This will be the half step in the direction of the downward continuation with this pattern. That's why I'm not sure with the upward continuation, and the sign of weakness. This price action is sign of weakness for me, and I do not want to take the long position anymore right here. From the other point of view, this is a bit too early to take the short position, because market now stands above the range, and it still could continue to move higher. So that is some sort of the indecision price action, and I think that better to not take any active position right now. It's better to wait a bit. On the hourly time frame, we see this deep penetration of the confidence support area. We see this could be some sort of the difficult call. This called as a wash and rinse, because that is not some outstanding level that just has been washed and rinsed. That was just a significant support area that market has shown the deep penetration of it, something of that sort. It turns right back above it, but I don't know, this area, this price action looks a bit suspicious for me, and I do not want to take the long position when I see such sort of the action right at the upper border of just broken consolidation. For me, this is some sort of the hint that probably market could continue to move to the downside. So that being said, my position on that current action on the gold market is just to sit on the hands and do nothing. Just wait when the market will give us more clarification of the further development. But this not quite natural action tells me that the probability of downward development on the daily time frame and appearing of the butterfly now has increased. So if you have another look on the current market, maybe you have some other thoughts on the current environment, please do not hesitate to share it on our forum. Let's discuss it, because maybe you will find something interesting here that I do not see. Well, but my position is that it's better to take the pause and wait for beginning of the next week to understand what is really going on in the gold market.